sklearn. Neighbors, nearest neighbors. Description. The nearest neighbors class in scikit-learn is a powerful tool for finding the closest neighbors to a given point in a dataset. It uses various distance metrics to determine the similarity between points and offers several methods for finding neighbors based on specified parameters. Inputs. X. This is a 2D array containing the data points. Each row represents a data point, and each column represents a feature. N neighbors. This integer parameter specifies the number of nearest neighbors to retrieve. Outputs. The neighbors. This method returns the indices of the k nearest neighbors for each point in the input. Data. The neighbors graph. This method returns a sparse graph representing the k nearest neighbors for each point. Radius neighbors. This method returns the indices of neighbors within a given radius from each point in the input data. Radius neighbors graph. This method returns a sparse graph representing the neighbors within a given radius from each point. Steps. Initialization. The nearest neighbors object is initialized with parameters like the number of neighbors, n neighbors, and the distance metric to be used. Fitting the model. The fit method is called with the input data x to train the model. This step involves storing the data points and computing any necessary pre-processing steps based on the distance metric. Finding nearest neighbors. The k-neighbors, the neighbors graph, radius neighbors, and radius neighbors graph methods are used to retrieve the neighbors based on the specified parameters. Metrics. Euclidean distance. This is the most common distance metric and calculates the straight line distance between 2 points. Manhattan distance. This metric calculates the sum of absolute differences between the corresponding coordinates of 2 points. Minkowski distance. This is a generalization of Euclidean and Manhattan distances that uses a parameter p to control the degree of influence of each dimension. Cosine distance. This metric measures the angle between two vectors, where a smaller angle indicates higher similarity. Visualization plots. Scatter plots. These plots can be used to visualize the data points and highlight the nearest neighbors. K nearest neighbor graphs. These graphs connect each data point to its k nearest neighbors, providing a visual representation of the neighborhood structure. Fine-tune parameters. N neighbors. This parameter controls the number of nearest neighbors to find. Algorithm. This parameter specifies the algorithm used to find neighbors, e.g. ball tree, KD tree, brute. Leaf size. This parameter influences the efficiency of tree-based algorithms, e.g. ball tree, KD tree. Metric. This parameter allows the user to choose the distance metric to be used. P. This parameter is used for the Minkowski distance metric and controls the degree of influence of each dimension. Uncertainty methods. Confidence scores. These scores can be used to assess the reliability of neighbor predictions. Distance-based uncertainty. This method considers the distance between a point and its nearest neighbors to quantify uncertainty. Ensemble methods. Using multiple nearest neighbors models with different parameters can provide an ensemble prediction and associated uncertainty measures. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Curse of dimensionality in high-dimensional spaces. The distance between points becomes less meaningful, making it difficult to find accurate neighbors. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. Using nearest neighbors to classify images with a large number of pixels. Features can be problematic due to the curse of dimensionality. Fixes to challenge 1. Dimensionality reduction techniques. Apply methods like principal component analysis (PCA) or TSNE to reduce the number of dimensions while preserving important information. Feature selection. Select the most relevant features for the task. reducing the number of dimensions and improving the accuracy of nearest neighbor search. Challenge 2: computational complexity. Finding nearest neighbors in large datasets can be computationally expensive, especially for algorithms like brute force search. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 2: searching for nearest neighbors in a dataset with millions of data points using brute force search can be time-consuming. Fixes to Challenge 2: tree-based algorithms employ ball tree or KD tree algorithms for faster neighbor search, especially for large datasets. Approximate nearest neighbors utilize algorithms like locality-sensitive hashing (LSH) to efficiently find approximate nearest neighbors, trading off accuracy for speed. Challenge 3: handling outliers. Outliers can significantly affect the performance of nearest neighbor algorithms, leading to inaccurate predictions. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 3: in a dataset containing a few outlier points. Nearest neighbor algorithms might incorrectly assign neighbors to these outliers, leading to incorrect predictions. Fixes to Challenge 3: outlier detection and removal. Apply outlier detection techniques to identify and remove outliers before training the nearest neighbors model. Robust distance metrics use distance metrics that are less sensitive to outliers, like the Manhattan distance. Challenge 4: handling imbalanced datasets. In imbalanced datasets where one class has significantly more data points than others, nearest neighbor algorithms can be biased towards the majority class. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 4: in a dataset where 90 of the data belongs to one class and 10 to another. The nearest neighbors model might predict all points as belonging to the majority class, ignoring the minority class. Fixes to Challenge 4: oversampling or undersampling. Apply techniques like oversampling the minority class or undersampling the majority class to balance the dataset and improve the performance of nearest neighbor algorithms. Cost-sensitive learning. Assign different costs to misclassification errors based on the class imbalance.